Oh my god. Yeah. I feel like my tears are hot. The number doesn't help.
I need help.
I'm not. She probably don't like spicy food either.
Oh my god, we're trying out the what's it called? The 357?
Yeah, or something.
Yeah, 350 Mad Dog 357.
Oh man,
is that it?
Gonna be a mistake.
Maybe.
Hey. Is it like Mexican?
You know what I'm saying? We got the.
How many are these?
This is 8, and then we have more in the fridge. Dude, we gotta do more stuff like this.
Yeah, right? It was good, yeah. We had to do more cookouts like this.
Cause that last shrimp, you gotta coat me. Hold on. No.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
no, what? I got you all day. I'm just gonna do a personal bowl.
Are you gonna try the shrimp on it?
What? Shrimp on it. Last shrimp, buffalo shrimp.
Be careful with that.
And my dad
Probably in one of those.
Yeah, throw the pan away.
You'd be wrong with me not to try something spicy.
Oh,
Dude, that looks great on the video.
Yeah. The pour? Or the mix?
Oh, the pour?
Will you taste the flavor?
I mean, the way you're doing it right now.
Oh, dude.
Dude, there's no way you're gonna eat all of that.
What, these wings?
No, everybody's getting some of this shrimp, dude.
It's a shrimp that.
Actually, it's good to go. I don't even gotta do nothing with it, dude. It's freaking.
Oh.
Next to Thai basil. You wanna know how good it was?
Alright, cause dang, your hand. Careful, dude. Your hands, dude. They're gonna burn.
Nah, come on.
Oh, I have a.
Alright, guys. You know what I have on my hands right now, right?
Death.
Alright, here, put your name. It's weird.
Dude, you're fucking you're nuts, man.
No.
Hey, give him that. Give him.
Demand more from
I will, but this man just devoured 357,000 Scoville.
Yeah.
He ate one?
He ate what coated.
Son of a bitch.
The shrimp.
Oh.
It's still sweet.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's not gonna stay sweet for long. Jesus.
No, my face is like sweating. It feels good though.
Yeah.
Hey, bring out the milk, man.
I'm trying.
Jesus, man. That was way too much.
That was a lie, dude.
He's alive, man. How you feeling?
You only live once, man.
You're crying.
Jesus.
Did you try the second one?
Jesus, man. You're a true soldier. It's not treating you well, man.
No, they're not bad. Yeah, nothing came through. No, yeah.
What kind of pepper's in there?
Yeah, I think when you
Just habanero, but they have Scoville extra.
Mmm.
There you go. Leave it there.
I loved it.
Like not even eating the ice cream, just like.
Yeah, just like soaking.
That's
Jesus, man.
Alright,
Dude, this is gonna be
ice cream ready, then.
this is gonna be a thumbnail. That's it. That's it. That made it.
He did it in the shrimp.
Those are
That's
perfect.
crazy, dude. How you feel,
Yeah,
man?
it's soaked up in the flour batter and shit.
Yeah,
dude.
yeah.
Oh, I feel
Wait,
amazing.
is that one of them or just a?
No, I'm just cool. Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, about to try these out right now. Got some ice cream, we got some naan bread. Try some milk, some beer. Alright guys, we're here about to test out the, what is it called? Mad Dog 357. It has about 357,000 Scoville. Just to give you, put you in perspective, Tabasco has about 2,000. And I think like the Yucateco, I'm not sure if you've seen that one, but it has about 5,000. And the hottest wing you can get from Buffalo Wild Wings is about 300,000. So it's pretty close to this one, but this one's 357,000, just to give you a little idea about it. Anyways, with me I got Antonio, he's gonna try it out. And I have Lane. Do you want to talk about like your resistance, like your experience with the spice? You have a tolerance.
Moderate tolerance.
And every time we go out to eat, he adds jalapenos to something. So that's the tolerance.
I guess.
You got any tolerance?
I mean, I'm half Mexican, so I gotta have tolerance, right?
I have no tolerance whatsoever. I think I had one earlier this morning. I almost died. But anyways, we're about to do. We have some ice cream. We have some milk. You ready? You ready for
I'm
this?
ready.
All right, dude. This is my napkin. Don't touch my napkin. I'm gonna need it. You ready?
Fuck.
All right.
All right, bad
Come on,
boy.
man. What are you waiting for,
Hey,
man?
cheers. Cheers.
All right. Cheers,
Pump
man.
the wing. Big
Yeah.
All right. You ready?
Where's the
Get
meat?
it.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Immediately.
Oh,
How are you doing, Juanri?
he dropped it.
I'll talk later. Give me a sec.
The wing touched my chin. Not my chin, my cheek, I mean. Oh god.
Your dog really wants one.
You don't want this. Get the
Oh,
fuck out.
fuck. Dude, it's a creeper.
That's what Kyle said. You give it a second, breathe a little bit, and it's supposed to get first. Are you okay?
This is a mistake.
Give me ice cream. Ah, dude, it melted the fucking ice cream. Ah.
Oh man.
Dude, in 6 years, I don't think I've ever seen you cry for something spicy.
Oh, this is.
I gotta walk and eat.
Dude, what the
Oh
fuck?
god.
Are you okay?
I need a napkin if you could. Oh my god.
I'm like, you're fucking weird.
Oh, what?
Why? Dude, milk tastes like water.
Kyle said it tastes like hot water. So I believe you. I guess you're fine.
Ice cream
Are
and
you
mouthwash.
running water on your tongue or something?
He's showering over there, dude.
Oh.
Dude, answer that call. I need help.
You need help?
Why would you ask me to do this?
Who's it? Yeah, what's it? Guys, please subscribe to my channel. I need money. Dude, my mustache is on fire. For some reason, I just feel my nose just like...
Is it this one?
Whichever milk, I'll take whichever.
Dude, the ice cream helps so much and then it goes away.
As soon as the ice cream ended, I was like, this is it.
Yeah, I'm done.
Dude, give me a cookie. I need something. Brought to you by Natalia. I'll link her channel or something.
Hey, I have to
I
say
can't
on
look
record, Buffalo Wild Wings wild. It's not 300 Scoville.
That's not even close.
Am I snotting? I feel like I'm snotting.
Nah,
Oh, I know I am.
No,
We're good.
Antonio was dying though earlier.
You do feel it in your insides. Oh my god.
No, dude, you know, when I got Kyle eating it, he was a great thumbnail because you see him. Oh my god, dude. Am I like that? Dude, you're fucking dying.
No, you need to watch the videos again because Antonio, when I was like, are you okay? Because he was literally like crying.
Okay, now I'm good actually.
You're good now.
But I feel it.
Shaking.
I got-
Nah,
feel
you're
it.
not good.
Shaking. A little shaking.
It's not over.
Dude, I took one bite and I'm dying.
You better eat up.
No!
Look at that.
What?
It's almost done.
Dude!
You could not pay me to take
I
another
need
bite.
more bites.
I'll take another bite if there's
You
more
ate
ice
a
cream.
whole one. Oh. Kinda.
Hit him.
Look at
He ate a
mine.
whole one. I hope you get laid
Fuck
off
that.
this. I hope he gets laid off of this. Like, there's no other outcome that I can avoid.
Hey, I'm single, ladies. I'm available.
He's gorgeous.
Dude,
Oh,
like,
come on.
drinking milk and beer just
Oh.
tastes white water now. Like, I don't taste it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this bull.
Wait. I'm not done. Let me eat another wing. Fuck it.
What?
No, you're not.
I am. You alright?
I'm good, I just don't feel my upper lip at all. Like, I would love my upper lip back. Alright guys, that was it for the 357,000 Scoville. Which one are we doing next time? The 1.1?
Well, no, 1.2.
1.2. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. If you can, just like this video and also subscribe for the next upcoming sessions of this, whatever this is, whatever you want to call this. This is torture. Anyways, thank you. Alright, see you guys.
Let me eat another wing.
Oh man, him.
Not really. I'm trying to
He's trying to
give
equate
tribute.
them.
Yeah.
He's trying to hit the same level.
You. Oh.
Eat the whole.
Immediate off.
It's not cool.
Why
Another
are you
bite?
still going? I can't
No.
watch.
It's quite entertaining.
Oh.
Oh.
Not after drinking that much milk.
Take the milk away. Just kidding.
No.
He's going for another. Don't look at it for another. Don't. Dude, who are you trying to prove? You know I have like 10 subscribers. I was like, no one watching this.
I'd say one thing. Even though it's about to fuck up, the flavor is phenomenal.
Yeah, for sure. It's like
Mad
pineapple
Dog,
shit to it.
357, flavor's dope. But I'm gonna regret this.